crafty people, this is Ellen with EGI Designs, and thanks so much for stopping by today. It's an exciting day. It's that time of the month. My Simon Says Stamp card kit has arrived, and this is called Best Teas, and it's a play on words, and this is the August 2025 card kit. I'm going to go over a couple housekeeping items first, so if you don't want to listen to that, feel free to skip ahead to the unboxing. Simon Says Stamp, their card kit subscription is awesome. You get a discount, you are guaranteed to get a kit, and they also have started putting free gifts in the kit every month. Another opportunity with that is that you can add to your kit prior to it shipping, and it will not increase your shipping cost. So if you want the coordinating die that goes with the stamp set, you can add that on. And then if you actually add enough items to get over $100 in product, you will get the kit and everything that you also ordered shipped completely for free. So that is awesome, especially if you have a wish list that you're going for at Simon Says Stamp. You kind of collect it up, and when it's time for the kit to come out, you can just go in and add all those items and then get them shipped to you for free. So that is pretty awesome. Another thing I love about the Simon kits is that while they are releasing this as a good value altogether, you can actually purchase all of the items in the kit separately when the kit comes out. So if you really like the stamp set, you can just buy the stamp set, or if you like the paper, or if there are other little things in there and you just want to get them, you can go ahead and just do that. Okay, without further ado, we will begin the unboxing. Let me just get some scissors to cut this. Alright, let's see. Ooh, alright. So to begin, I had, like I was speaking about before, I had added on the Best Teas die set prior to the shipping so that I can make sure that it all comes all together. And you know, there is a charge for this, but at least you have it when you get your kit. So that is great. And then this month's free little gift that comes with this is a terrific birthday stamp set, and these match with the Besties stamp set that's in here. And there is a coordinating die for this. I did not realize that when this was coming out, so I just placed an order for the new release, so I put it in with that, so I will have that soon. Okay, so let's see. The first thing, obviously I've spotted in here, is the Positively Perfect White, and this is a splatter medium. This is pretty liquidy, and it is opaque. So if you want to add those awesome white splatters to your cards or your projects, you can use this. And you don't need very much. You can even just, it's so liquidy, you can dip right into the jar with your paintbrush and splatter that on. You don't need to thin it out or anything like that. So this is a new product. It is available now, but it was included in the kit. Alright, let's see what we have. Let me get this out of the way. And this month you get another pouch, and I got the blue one. It's such a great color. And you can fit all of your projects in here. The whole card kit will fit in here, which is pretty cool. Or if you're collecting up your items to get ready to make a card or something, you can stick it in there and then you have your project all together. It's good for traveling with your card supplies, so very versatile. Alright, let's see what's in here. Alright, lots of good stuff. Let's see, first we have our coupon. The code is LEAP24. This is worth $5 off your next order, and this is valid until August 25th, 2025. So be sure to use this. on your next purchase. Alright, let's see. Can we find the map? Alright, awesome. So here's our little guide, and it shows some pictures of examples, and then it also has down here all the things that are included in this kit. So the first step is the Best Teas Clear Stamp Set. Look at this. So it's, you know, all tea and coffee related kind of puns. Glad we're besties. My best friend loves tea, so I'm probably going to make her one with this. Have you been? All the perks on your birthday, and you're my cup of tea. And then you've got all the tea, coffee, donuts, flowers, teacups, all the things on here. So that is awesome. It's such a cute set. It'd be great to do, stamp these out and do watercoloring, or you could do Copic, or you know, whatever alcohol markers you have, color those in. So that is a great little set, and it does match perfectly with these. So that's an add-on to the set, which is really cute. And then we have the fancy thank you die. Look at this. So you have the thank you, and it has the shadow layer. So that is awesome. I always love when it has the shadow layer. That's great. Alright, let's see. Then we get the new Demilune embossing folder. Look at how fun this is. It's a great geometric pattern. You could use it in, but it's subtle enough that you could use it in, you know, on pretty much any card for the background. That is great. I just love the texture on that. I'm excited to use that. Alright, and we have the splatter medium, and then we have the zipper bag, and then this is Cartabella Coffee Shop 6x6 paper pad, and you get 12 double-sided sheets. So this is such a nice palette of colors with the pinks and the browns, and coffee and tea themed. All you need is coffee, right? This paper is so cute. And then we have some cut aparts. Maybe iced coffee is addicted to me. There you go. This is so cute. Oh, look at this floral. So pretty. This is a great pack. And you could pick this pack up separately too. And then we have some cut aparts. Beautiful florals. Some iced coffee treats. Caffeine is kindness. I like this one. That's awesome. Okay, so lots of good papers with that. And that all matches all of this. I love on the Simons kit, like all the colors match, all the theme matches. It's really great. Let's see, we have one sheet of Tim Holtz Ideology Gold Craft 8x8 metallic. So this is a craft on the back, craft core. So if you used an embossing folder to emboss this, and then you used a sanding tool, you can take off the top layer and get a really cool effect, because then the craft will come through. Alright, let's see. And we get some tags. We get 4 number 2 white tags, and then we get cotton candy pre-scored note cards. So we have for our card base. I don't know if you can see trying to find the score line for you. Let me help you see it. Maybe the side. There you go. So that's pre-scored, which is awesome. Let's see, I love this color. We have simonsaysstamp Smoke, and this is 100-pound cardstock. We have a sheet of the Simon Sage. This is also 100-pound. And then we have a sheet of the Nina Solar White, and this is 110-pound. And then we get a matching Simon Cotton Candy A2 envelope. So lots of great things this month. And the set is so cute with the tea and the coffee and all that good stuff. It's such a great embossing folder. And this will just, you know, become a staple in your craft room. Like, I love that with the thank you. And then we have, this is extra, the die set. You can pick that up. And then the stamp set. And here is our free gift. So here is the unboxing completed. I will link over to all of the products and the kit. If it is sold out, like I said, you can purchase all of the individual pieces, and I will list everything for you in the description box. I will link at the end my card making playlist so that you can see some of these things in action. Come join me over on Facebook, Pinterest, and my new blog at egidesigns.com. And if you aren't already as a subscriber, I would love to have you as my subscriber if you want to click that button. I would greatly appreciate it, as it really helps out my channel. Alright, I hope you have a wonderful day. Till next time, like, subscribe, and all that jazz, and take care. Bye-bye. Here are a couple more videos I thought you might like. Thanks so much for watching.